uh, I decided to make this a short. I don't know if you call it short video or. So I am here in the forest in the northern part of Norway called Korvikham or Korvika or Korvikveien. I arrived here last year, June of 2025, under a tourist visa. Even though I am a tourist uh, here, but we already have had a plan with my husband that we are going to have a wedding when I got here. Long story short, we got married, but I already brought with me my documents or requirements before getting married, after getting married, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's one of the things that I'd like to talk about in this channel for you guys, especially who are planning to be here, tourist visa, fiancé visa, staying for good in the future, especially when you live in if you're going to go in Europe, specifically Norway. So by the way guys, if you are curious that why I got here in the forest, so we have a dog. Of course, you have to let him walk, run, do his thing as an exercise, and also always inside or indoor is a bit bored. So you have to also, for me, we have to go out the house, especially in this winter. So no, we have to see outside for our mental health, and also an exercise for legs, not always sitting inside the house. So yeah, by the way, in my hometown in Philippines, I live in Cagayan de Oro City, and it's a city, but I'm not a city girl. I just go to city, or you call it mall, if I wanted to buy something and have roam around mall. But most likely I love to spend nature, okay? Walking uphill, go to the sea. So yeah. Oh my god, the trees now is call it blocking the way because of the ice or the snow so heavy on the tree. So it's kind of like that, the branch, but normally it's not like this. Okay,